Hello everyone, welcome to Pointers 2.0 demo video. Before we get started, please note that this presentation is for general education purpose only and does not constitute a recommendation to buy or to sell specific stocks. This presentation will take around 25 minutes. For any questions, please only raise up at the end of the presentation by using the chat window. Currently, Pointers 2.0 can only trade stock. More products will be launching into Pointers 2.0 eventually in due course. Do take note all submissions through Pointers 2.0 are real trade. Do remember to withdraw if they are not genuine trades. To start off, use Internet Explorer 8 and above, Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome browser. Key in URL. Type in www.poems.com.sg/p2. You will come to the login page. To check for the minimum or recommended system requirement required by Poems 2.0, click here for more information. You can also click on the Check Compatibility button to check for whether your system is supported by using Pointers 2.0 on the check for browser, cookies, JavaScript, and Java. If any of the check is not supported, it will be indicated by a red cross with more details to assist you. To continue, go back to the login page. Log in with your Pointers Internet Trading account number and password. Once logged in successfully, you'll be directed to Trade LP2 tab. There are 9 default tabs. Each tab consists of one or more widgets. A widget is a small application or small window screen which allows user to perform a function or service. For example, in Trade LP2 tab, there are 4 widgets: the view price, the trade, order status, and news widget. There is also a plus new tab. You can create up to 20 tabs. Each tab can create maximum 6 widgets. Now let's go through a quick run on the tabs. Under the Announcement tab, you will see information such as Poems announcement, exchange rate, corporate action or dividend, SGX IPO, and new counters. Under the Account Management tab, you will see information related to your account with respect to money, such as outstanding position, account details, transaction history, and more. Under Order Status tab, it displays today's orders, past orders, and syntactic orders. At Prices LP1 tabs, we see the view price in a full view. Chart tab displays the full view for chart. Display the stock analytics with free comprehensive coverage on 9 exchanges and more than 15,000 counters. The Fundamentals tab displays 2 sections, Company Info and Stock Screener. The Company Info section displays the fundamental data on corporate information, background, and financial ratios of all listed companies. The Stock Screener displays the information of stock based upon the filtering criteria set. Research tab displays two sections, Research Report and News. Next, let's go back to Trade LP2 to show you more features and functions in order to trade. We start with the view price. The green light icons here is showing streaming prices. To switch to static prices, click on the icon. When it's static, the icon is not lighted. Click again to show the streaming prices. This is the minimize button. Clicking on it will minimize the widget. To maximize the widget again, click on the widget. This is the refresh button. This is the delete button. Click this to delete widget. And this is the top 30 box, top volume, and gainers, etc. This is the sector box for industry. And here we have 11 exchanges. This is the alphabet box. You can search the counter using the alphabet. Next, you will see the global watch list. Global watch list at Poyntz 2.0 is synchronized with Poyntz Mobile Suite. Click on this icon here to rename your watch list. You can change your font size from small to large fonts here. We have a global search function here. To search for counter, key in the first two alphabets. The search result will display in drop-down list with maximum 10 results shown. Beside the global search, we have this icon here which is called the advanced search. This advanced search is very useful and it helps to filter the exchanges when you search for the counters. First, click to select exchange or uncheck the exchanges. Key in the counter to search and click on the search button. A list of counters will display. Check to select the counter. You can do multi-selection at the same time. Counters can be added to your watch list or click OK to show the counters in the view price. If you do not want to proceed, click cancel. Next, I will show you how to organize columns at the view price widget. Right click on the column header. A sub-menu will show a list of column names. Check to select the columns. To remove the column, uncheck the checkbox. You can also arrange the columns according to your preference. Click on the header columns which you want to move and drag it. Next, I will show you how to trade in Poyntz 2.0. There are a few ways to trade. Go to the view price counters. Click on either the counters, the buy price, or the sell price. The price and the total quantity will be displayed at the trade widget. You can amend accordingly by using the drop-down list or key in manually. The gross value is auto-calculated. It's based on the traded currency. We will also want you to take note of this. At the top of the trade widget, you will also see the buy limit balance and sell limit balance. Click on the balance to refresh and see the updated limit. Now, select the trade type and the settlement currency. Key in the password to confirm. You will see this pop-up message to indicate that your orders has been submitted. Click the View Order Status, and you will be directed to the Order Status tab. Click Close and the pop-up will close. You can then go to the Order Status widget to see the updates. Anytime you would like to trade, click on the orange Trade button at the top of the right-hand corner. Right click on the counter and a menu will be shown. Click on Trade. Now let's go to the order status to give you a quick run. At the order status displays today's orders, past orders, and syntactic orders. Under today's order, it will show you all orders, working orders, trade done and rejected or withdrawn. Under the past orders, it will display the past 7 days orders. Under the syntactic orders, it will display the orders submitted through ProTrader. After you submitted the order, go to today's orders and then to working orders. You can click on refresh button to update the order status. Updated date and time will be shown. Next, I will show you how to withdraw or amend orders. To withdraw or amend orders, check on the checkbox located beside the orders. Proceed to click withdraw or amend. You can also click on the orders number to view the orders detail and history log. Withdrawing and amending are also available here. Do take note that by clicking on the header, you can also arrange orders according to your preference. As mentioned earlier, Poyntz 2.0 watchlist is synchronized with Poyntz mobile suite. There is a maximum of 5 watch lists with 20 counters each. A quick way to add counters to your watch list: right-click on the counter, go to the bottom of the menu and click Add To. Select the watch list. Other way is to go to your watch list, use the search function to look for your counter, and then press Enter. Your counter will be added into the watch list. At the watch list page, you are able to click and drag your counters. As mentioned, one of the benefits of Poyntz 2.0 is its customization features to create your own trading page. To create a new tab, click on the plus new button. Select any pre-ready tab or go to show widget to select your own widgets. Anytime you want to add new widget, right-click to show the menu to add content. You are allowed to add up to 6 maximum widgets for each tab. You can move and arrange your widgets, overlapping one another, or make it smaller and bigger according to your preference. Use the minimize button if you want to hide the widget. Take note that you can also double-click on the widget to open a full view. Double-click again to resume back to original size. At Contact Us button, you are able to send email to update particulars or credit limit and also contact trading rep. For setting button, you will see My Account to see details such as RWS status or e-statement particulars. Change password. Configure indices. To arrange the indices accordingly to how you want to view, click on the index. Use the arrow to move up and down. Click on the checkbox to display the index or uncheck if you do not want to show the index. Change language. You can switch between languages being provided without having to log out. Change timeout. Maximum 2 hours. Search exchange. This function allows user to set the exchanges when using the search function. If not, The search will be based on all exchanges. Choose theme. Select on the color theme for your own trading page. Restore to default. Take note that once you selected this, you will lose all personalized widgets, tabs, and some customized settings. Help button. You can find the user guide and FAQ here. Logout. For the first time login, you will land at the Trade LP2. When you log out and log in again, the landing page will be where you have previously exited.